Maurice, I have known you for a very long time now, and you've never asked me out. I mean, why are you all over me right now to the extent that you want me to be your wife?
I never bothered to disturb you, Debbie. That is because I knew you were in a relationship.
So why bother now since you know that I am in a relationship?
I said you were. Debbie, you and I know that the relationship no longer exists. Debbie, please, let me be the one to clean the tears in your eyes.
OMG. Vanessa is the one who put him up to this. There is no way she can ever deny this.
You're not saying anything?
That is because there is nothing to say.
Debbie, please, let me be your man. You are the exact woman I want for myself. Now that God has made an opening for us, please, let's take it.
Maurice, you are a good man. I know that there are 1,001 women out there who will accept your offer. But at this point in my life, my career is my priority. And I don't want to be in any relationship. At least for now.
In all round, Debbie, you're my kind of woman. Let me into your life and you understand my feelings for you.
Maurice, like I said, I do not want to be in any relationship for now. So please, stop persuading me. I will not change my mind.
The level of maturity, expression and manner in which you handle things make me fall the more for you. Nevertheless, I will let you ponder on my request.
The problem Johnson is having is connected to a lady named Mirabel. This Mirabel we speak of has sojourned to the great beyond.
Sojourned to the great beyond as in she's dead?
She was a lady who lived a very bad life. She lived very dirty life.
How bad Ikemoneke? I am only but a messenger so that I can take the message back home to Johnson.
You know, when a child refuses to heed to the advice that will save him or her, chances are that when the head is cut off, the ear goes with it. Mirabel was that very stubborn grasshopper who refused to listen to anybody. And she ended up with a corpse in the grave.
Can you please break it down?
Johnson was carried away by fantasies. He was carried away by the wand of money that he refused to listen to the voice of reason. Now, the ghost of Mirabel haunts him.
How is the ghost connected to the problem he is now having?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you a story. A very long story to explain the thing that happened. But I'm not going to bore you with the taste of Mirabel. I'm going to allow other things, other events to also happen as we tell this story. But everything is going to run at once.
I am sorry to be calling you at this hour, Mirabel, but I just want to be sure. Are you the one I saw driving out from Morgan Plaza? Oh, really? So, when did you buy a car? Oh, no. I am not monitoring you, okay? It's just that I am surprised that you are living with us in that kind of neighborhood and you have that kind of car? Oh, you rented it? For what exactly?
Mirabel is my neighbor, like I've told you. And you know, I just need to know that me and Mirabel were very, very close. Eh?
You have mentioned this to me earlier. And that's why I want to come through you.
Come through me? What do you mean by come through me? There's no come through, there's nothing like come through me. Eh? See, I don't have what it takes to pimp Mirabel to anybody.
Bob, come off it. Don't claim as if you don't know she is materially driven. And afterwards, I'm not even the one who wants her. I just want to pimp her to someone who is dying for her. And guess what? There's plenty money for us to share. Plenty. Why do you like this now, Bob?
Yeah. There's plenty money for us to
swear.
share. But I'm not interested. If you have plenty money and you're interested in her, go and meet her and talk to her. And not me. I don't have energy for all that drama. I'm not talking to anybody.
Okay, fine, okay. But at least give me her number. Can I get her phone number from you? Because the one I have, she's not picking.
She's not picking the one you have. It's the same number that I have too. How will she pick it? Do you have any spiritual connection with the one I'm going to give to you?
Bob, don't be ridiculous now. Stop doing this. Why are you acting as if you don't know what I mean? Stop it now.
I know your problem. Your problem is this English that you speak all the time. English you get abakagesi. Oh, that's your problem.
This is a serious business. Stop it. You give me a number at least.
Wow. It's a nice place. This is a very nice place, yo. It's going to be terrible, Lord. Mirabelli. No, back Paleni. If you don't kill me today, I will kill you. That girl, Omonye, Mirabelli, that girl is a sex bomb. That is why I always like her. I always go for her. Mirabelli. She knows how to give it to me more than Inyoluwa, my wife. Inyoluwa is just occupying space and consuming my money with her children in my house. But she knows how to give it. Hello, me. Who is calling me? I beg me. I don't have time. I don't have time for anybody. Stop calling me.
Always beating like a calypso. Looks like she's from Sosoliso. Maybe your Neso. Wanna go ta ta ta.
Yes. That woman talking in Nollywood, she's just occupying space in my house and consuming my money. But I derive all the pleasure so that a man derives from a woman from the ties of that Mirabelli. Today, not today. I don't want to answer any call now.
He gets something about Mirabel which she know, but she no one make we know that thing. How you say?
Me and you know say Mirabel a call girl. And that girl you see so, Mirabel if you do anything, I mean anything to have whatsoever she wants. Now the kind of person she be. And nice if it be like this, she don't fit tell me and you anything.
Sorry. Bobo, why are you saying damaging words about Mirabel? Eh? Wait. You know you say she dey plan to buy a car?
Just like every one of us. Me, Bobo, I won't buy a car. I get plans, big plans to buy a car. Or even buy cars. I mean, you know one buy a car? What is there special about Mirabel wants to buy a car?
Right. There is one thing about you. You know the reason well at all.
Me? I know the reason well.
At all, I know the reason well.
Okay, you know the reason well now. Are you better than me? Check our life now. You better pass me.
By far now.
Okay, you feel say you better pass me,
yes,
Abi?
Now.
Guy, no they talk waiting go provoke me. No they talk waiting go provoke me before you don't give up from here.
I back all that crabs. Who they shout for? Guy, calm down. Now guys with you. Hey, you understand? See, can we humbly go to Mirabel and beg her to teach us what she does? Yes.
I mean, they follow speak English for. See, there is only one thing. You get one particular thing where they always beg, or I go only beg Mirabel for. With all her shakara, all her gara. She go still give me that thing last. And that's the only thing where me I want to beg her for. As it be like this, I want make it just be like that.
Hey, but wait now. Your blood to the heart. Wait, but I want to ask you something. Waiting be that thing where we say you go beg Mirabel we should do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Baba.
What is keeping this girl? Let me even call her. I need to know what is keeping her. Yes, come in. Mawolebo. Hey! Ọmọ tó dùn. Ọmọ aládùn. Hey. Oh, nípa mi. Hey. Ibo gíngwo. Yé, orí mi. Ọmọ ẹ mọ pa mí. Oh, nípa mi.
I missed you so much.
Mo miss you. I miss you more. More. Yeah. Kí ló dé?
Take it easy. Why are you rushing me like this?
Kì í ṣe be me. It's not my fault. You know you have the sexiest body and the sweetest figure. And when it comes to love making, champion, you are a champion. Ọmọ tó dùn.
You have your way with words.
Kì í ṣe be me. See, let me tell you, you have taken over. Yes, you have taken over. Pátápátá ni. Kí ló lúkọ ẹ̀? Ìní Olúwa.
Speak English for me. No, I don't understand.
Ìní Olúwa is somebody's name. It's my wife's name. Yeah, you know it. You see, my wife does not appeal to me anymore, and that is the reason I have automatically lost affection for her. As long as I derive all the satisfaction I want from this sumptuous body. Now.
So you've lost everything. You've lost affection for your wife.
Benny.
But she's still in your house. So who are you deceiving?
Let her be
Just
there.
tell me that you want to have me like you want.
Benny, but for only. Let her be there. As long as I derive all the satisfaction that I want from this sweet body. Yo, mama.
Wait, God, the money you promised me. Eh? You have not sent the money.
Money issue is nothing. Just come and give me this thing before.
Let me remove the shoe myself now.
I'll do remove it myself.
I ended things with Alex because Johnson proved to be better than him. That means I moved on with something better. Can I possibly leave Johnson because of Maurice? Nah. That would be like moving backwards. I can never do a thing like that.
Yeah, baby Mew, you are so sweet, sweeter than honey.
Baby, you indeed have the strength of 10 men.
You see?
Together.
You see why I told you that my wife cannot satisfy me any longer. My sexual strength is far more than her own.
I understand, but the truth is that you're good in bed. I always enjoy sex with you, my old man.
Old okay.
Old nigga.
Old okay, me oldie.
You are.
Me the old you, I have not old. Even though I am old, forget the outward appearance. Even though old, the older, the stronger. The older, the stronger. You're gonna be here now.
So you want to tell me that your thing is not old?
Oh. Oh, really?
I beg you, cover. You don't eat. See, I don't get strength again. No, you have to allow me. You have exhausted all my energy.
Oh, you see what I'm saying? You are still a learner. Let me teach you.
Me?
Let me teach you.
Wait, you want to come again?
Let me teach you again.
No, hey, oh, daddy.
Oh.
Wouldn't be that one thing where in they beg me right before? Or could it be he equally goes to her? No. This is not good at all. This is not good. I will deal with Bobo if this is true.
Baby,
leave me.
Baby,
I said leave me.
Kilo day,
Bogini. Eh?
What is it? What's happening?
See, I'm not happy. I am not happy at all.
Kilo day.
I think it's high time all these things, this hide and seek, it's high time it stopped. Pico, it's high time, Ogenede.
Bawo, I don't understand. Kilo, so what are you talking?
What don't you understand? Marry me.
Kishekini. Ki marry you.
What is that?
What you?
What you again? See, before I even thought, you just change your face as if, see, am I not the same person you said I mean the world to you? I am everything to you.
Benny.
I satisfy you.
Benny.
You don't Benny me. Because there's nothing that comes out of the Benny that you're talking about. Every time Benny. As if you're cooking stew or cooking rice. But nothing comes out of it. I am the one that deserves to be banged all the time in your guest house. Why your wife, you've already given her a name. Ini Oluwa. She will be at home enjoying everything. No. I can't take that.
Farabale. Calm down.
Calm down for what?
Calm down. Farabale. Ini Oluwa that you are talking about. She's just there occupying space and eating money.
She's matter than
I've told you this 1,000 times.
Make me a matter. Let me also be in your house and occupy space. No problem. I deserve it. I am your world best. Your chocomilo. Your honey in your tea.
Benny.
The sugar in your everything.
Benny.
Not Benny. Don't Benny me because this your Benny does not taste good in food at all. Give me that name, oh. Give me the same name you gave to her.
Mirabelli.
Oh, get it?
Why are you talking like this today?
What do you mean why am I saying all these things today?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? No, tell me. Have I ever for once denied you access to my body?
Hero.
You have me anytime you want, morning, afternoon, night, front, back, center. What have you not done to me? It's high time you did the needful.
Mirabelli, I don't see myself.
Don't even drop that word. Don't even drop it. It gets to the essence that I begin to ask myself, are you sure this man is not taking something? Because you have done everything to me. And don't ever tell me you cannot marry me.
Farabalẹ̀ now. Or are you too little? But it's not as hard as you're taking it.
What have you not? How have you not done it to me? You say I'm the one you love, I'm the one you... So why can't you not make me your wife?
This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What is happening? What is happening to me? This minute I am me. The other minute I'm a monster. What's really happening?
Cannot tell me say
what's happening to me?
Madam, you know if we go inside though. Oga not tell me say you dey come.
I know, but I'm here already.
I know say you dey here. You know go fit enter. You go call am for phone. If you tell make I open gate, I will allow you enter.
And you think I've not been doing that? I've called him several times and he refused to take my calls. And that is why I'm here.
Now the sign be that. You don't want to make you come. I know my Oga. If you want to make you come, I go even call you. Say make you come. And if you just tell me, I'll open door.
Madam, just forget about
Madam, you know go fit enter. You know my Oga. If you come now see you, if you see for camera, you go to shout for me. You know go fit enter.
Don't you know me?
I know
why
you now.
Are you behaving this way? Your guy is my fiancé, my husband to be. Why are you acting up? Or is there any woman in this house? Is that funny?
Wait if you ask me how many women there inside.
What do you mean by that?
You say now only you they follow my Oga. Oh my Oga, plenty women they follow him. Some fine, get better breasts, you know what they talk. Some get nyash. Fine, I know say you fine too. My Oga no they follow small women. But what did they surprise me? Be say, as they come, let me go open gate. They will smile, they happy, just as you they happy so. But the enter, as they come out, they squeeze face. Some of them why even push me through away. Me, I don't understand. One of them even talk say my Oga na demon. But my Oga na very good man though. He dey very nice. I don't understand. Well anyway, Sha.
Adam, do you know the reason these women always running out from the house, shouting and calling him names?
Madam, me I don't know that one. No, you know even concern me. Now yeah, I did. I know they follow the enter. As they come out, now waiting at the SW, now I tell you so. So I don't know that one.
But is there anyone in the house now? Can I just go in?
I don't go fit tell you that one. Oga no say make I allow you enter. You know my Oga, if you see you for camera now, you go sack me. Me I don't get where I want to go. Madam beg, sorry, you will begin go. Don't vex man.
Mirabelli, or you deal little, but it's not as hard as you're taking it. Calm down.
What do you mean by that?
You see, you are a beautiful lady, very sexy lady, but I can't do what you are asking me to do.
Why? Why can't you do it?
I already have a wife and grown-up children.
I already have a wife and grown-up children. You can't even, can you even hear yourself? Okay, now, do you think that the so-called children that you have will be compared to the ones I would give you? Why are you even doing like this? Are you not an African man? The last time I checked, you are even a Yoruba man.
Benny.
You are entitled to marry as many wives as possible.
Like I told you before, I already have a wife and grown-up children. I cannot consider polygamy. I see you are so scared of your wife. You cannot consider polygamy. Anyway, if you can't, I have another option for you. Get me a befitting edifice. Like, buy me a befitting edifice at new layout. Yeah, Guinea. Meaning what? That you can't afford it or what? That is the place that you will be coming to see me anytime you want. That is where I want to stay. You can always come to see me there.
Yes. Not this what do I even call it? This slaughterhouse you call a guest house every time. I cannot be coming here anymore. If you cannot marry me, you do that one.
Mirabelli, Joe. Mirabelli, the job for Combale.
Meaning?
Calm down. That is what I'm telling you.
What am I coming down?
Do you know how much they sell house in that new layout?
Can't you afford it?
About? Oh, Moju, it's very expensive.
You are a trillionaire. Now see me here. You're not just a billionaire. You have money. Your money is too much.
That place is.
And the twinkle of an eye like this, you have bought the house. Why are you behaving like this? Why are you behaving like this?
Yeah. Wait. I
think it's time you go to your wife. You return to your wife.
I will think about it.
Think about what? Why must you think about it? Why must you think about something you can willingly do for me? Something you can afford?
Yeah.
Please. Go back to your wife.
Don't leave me like this. Mirabelli. Don't leave me like this now.
Hello? Please do well to send one of your boys to Octopus Fast Food. Just in front of there. They should be coming now. I'll be there in a few minutes. I said I will be there in a few minutes to drop the vehicle. I know it has not gotten to the hours I told you guys I was going to use it for. Something happened. I know. I heard you very well. The time hasn't elapsed, but something happened. So I want to bring the car back on time. So just send someone to Octopus. Let the person come and pick it up. Please, I have a bad day. Don't make it worse than it is already. I'll be there in a few minutes. Bye.
She's fine. If you feel like say you wanna nail them,
Sleep with my foot. Gata. Wrong skill. I don't know why some idiots in this compound are so useless and shameless. I don't know. Someone who has allowed herself to be used by all categories of low lives. Is not even considering marriage. Rather, she's busy jumping from one Alhaji to chiefs, from chief to boy. Very soon, she'll start jumping from one Babalawo's bed to another.
Shameless thing. I beg you, for this compound where they manage, may person no can give me korokoro disease all in the name of living in the same public compound.
God forbid. Watch my skin. It no fit happen. A full-fledged lady, she will not go and look for something to do with her miserable life.
Oh, yeah.
Aside from jumping from one man's bed to another. Obviously, go beyond her.
No, the thing which she sabi do. You don't know her again. This one na confirm lazy youth. Now what do they call this one? Lazy youth. That one where you see so.
Say it again.
Lazy youth.
What you do?
Lazy youth. Typical one. What she be? Nonsense.
Let's play. If not that I do not want to join issues with these fools, I would have severely dealt with them. My problem be say, this girl they give them Tom and Harry. She still they stay for this kind of compound with us. That
is what do our compound. Nothing do our compound though. Now that useless Mirabel, when no one cut her coat according to her cloth. So now she be topic, no be our compound. I beg.
Now I don't understand what's in me at the top.
Hey now.
When she dey hang her hand, they say she be slave queen. Nobody fit talk to her. She still there here. Why she not fit tell all those Alhaji? Make them buy a house. Or make they even get them even bungalow.
You don't know. So you be JJC. So you don't know say now show free she they do. Now free of charge now she dey dash them.
Chelukwa. Yeah, Osho.
Yes,
now.
na.
Buy free.
Yes, na. Now wetin she dey do?
Mercy!
This one
na
na
kill me.
You want take? Now wetin she just dey Keziah? Now wetin she dey do? My sister, no wahala, no problem. You see, for this compound, we go torment her. We must torment her so tey she go comot for this compound. She think say she be wahala. Me, I be wahala promise. I go give am wahala now.
Since where this girl back enter this compound, she no dey gree though. She just dey carry her hand like toro. Carry her nyash, dey wave am up and down, dey deceive people.
She want.
But that one dey pain me.
She want take greet you. You know see wetin she carry? Na that one dey enter her head, money she no get. The small fine wey God take give am, e dey confuse her head. But no wahala. No wahala. No wahala, we go see. Hey, for this compound, we go see.
No be only she carry that way, they talk say. You know see wetin she carry. But you see that game, Mirabel. That girl na case.
She be case.
That girl na case.
She be case. Case study abi. Me, na project abi. I despise her. But no problem. I go show her. Beg, may I play this game?
Na me dey win you.
Win wetin?
Femi, my G. Hello. What's up now, Femi? The cap man. Always the cap man. What's up now?
Hey. Polo, I want to ask you a direct question and I need a direct answer from you.
You look so serious. What is it?
Are there no girls living in your yard?
There we go. I honestly do not understand the essence of this question. Your neighbor Mirabel is the topic here, and not the girls in my yard.
And why must Mirabel be the topic? Just mind your business.
Hey, see, I've discussed this with Bobo, and he completely understood. I just felt you're more intelligent than him, and you'll be the right man to run this business.
Oh. Okay, so what is the business?
Hey, now you come, relax. See, I met this one guy, this rich dude who has a club at the island, and he's interested in Mirabel. Let's just pimp her to him.
And why must we pimp Mirabel to anyone?
Because as it is, we both know Mirabel can't do anything with any of us. Let's just pimp her to this money man and cash out.
Now I understand one thing. You feel we're in the same class? Huh?
Really, Femi? Is that supposed to be an insult?
But that is just the truth. Listen, you are just a low-class guy who cannot get Mirabel.
Wow.
I just want you to know one thing. That Mirabel is my babe.
Let's see Musa no go see for gate too. Femi! Wow. Wait. Can this ever be possible? He's having it with Mirabel. No, now. How? Femi. Better think about what I said.
Listen.
Oh. Hey, baby. Oh, my sugar. Don't worry, I'm done. I'll join you shortly, okay? Yeah. Okay. Nothing we will not go see for this useless girl hand. Person leave her village, come city, come dey do akuna. Prostitution. Hey, sugar, hot afternoon. You see, you two classless non-entities that will mind your businesses in this compound. Very soon, that which you want, you would get it in full.
Why am I even talking? Why am I even wasting my time talking to nitwits like you? Look at this one. I know your problems. You don't have a job. Even the one you managed to get, because of gossip, you were thrown out by your boss. You now come out every morning looking for who to talk with, how to rubbish someone's name. But I don't have your time. And you? Your problem is jealousy. Mercy, you can never be like me. Jealousy will kill you. You can never ever be like me. Even if you go under the knife, you can never ever be like me. That is your problem. Even if you say now, no show you won't do now, you come out for road, nobody will prize you. Because the ooze that comes out of you is a stench. It's a stench that has refused to leave you. Dirty pig. Well, I don't have your time. But you know what? The day I will prepare for you people, in fact, you will run out of this town. Also? The two of you will run out. Useless things.
Nothing go happen. Hi. Now you go run out of this compound. Now you go run out of this compound. Olosho like you. See you. Tell them. See you carry bumper like waiting and no. You carry truck. Tell them. Now shit food there. Hi. See you. You call names. Call names. No be say compound you dey live with us. Hi. Nonsense. No be say na your papa get this compound. Nonsense. Olosho.
See this useless girl calling us classless.
She no fit.
What class do you have?
She don't get
class in one. Tell me.
You get premises certificate?
Nonsense.
Nonsense. I shall the same compound. Na me and you dey stay. No be one room you dey stay. No be your papa get this compound though.
Mercy.
I shall walk nakuna.
This one touch me. Okwagi. You see you. Don't worry. But just I go mine. I don't understand. I don't understand why the only man that takes me to Cloud9 is always very official with me. Are we in the office? Hey Greg, I don't understand though.
Look, Mirabelle. I am a man who wants the best for you. Look, I see you like my little sister.
You see me like your little sister?
Exactly.
No, bring your property. Put it in mine. What are you saying? I know you very well. I mean, I cannot even begin to count how many times you've made out with me. So why you don't sisters on me? Oh?
Look, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Look, you're a young, beautiful girl with a lot of life ahead of you.
Oh, God.
But you're overdoing this.
Overdoing what?
You're overdoing this. Eh? Slow down.
What am I overdoing?
This is not good.
That I'm enjoying myself? Huh?
You're enjoying yourself.
I am enjoying what I truly need to enjoy. Why are you even preaching to me? Greg, why are you preaching? When you should be hammering me. See, the truth is that you are still the only man that makes me feel like a woman. And that is why I called you here, because I am horny. Eh? What is this now? Why are you pulling up like a monk before me? See, you are in a room with a beautiful girl. A beautiful sex. Even monks, sometimes, when they see people like us, they're a monk and collect. And you're just behaving like someone that hasn't, well, you are the best in it. I don't understand. As I'm talking to you now, you're supposed to be pounding me. Like pounded yam. You're supposed to be pounding me well.
Okay.
Why am I begging you for this?
Mirabelle.
You go sweet me. It's not just one-sided. It is reciprocal.
Trust me. I am going to pound you just the way you want.
Begin to pound me already because I cannot wait. I need it. Before you know it now, you will go. You tell me that you cannot sleep here. Let me enjoy the better part of you before you leave. Huh?
Okay, but look. I am seeing you as my blood sister. Oh. And of course, if my little sister was doing the things you're doing, I will not be happy with her.
If you not begin to do what you're supposed to do, make me feel like a woman. I will have no choice but to send you out of my house. What is that?
Why are you killing yourself?
Because I want it.
Oh, okay. Yes.
She's fine, yeah, her cups, yeah, if you feel like say you wanna near them, one man, if you go,
How are you?
Good morning. Just that I never knew you were around.
How do you mean you never knew I was around? I'm always around.
That is not true and you know it. Eh? Nobody ever gets to know when you are in and when you are not.
What are you saying? Is that supposed to be a topic or what? I mean, is that why you're here? Anyway, I noticed that, I don't know what's wrong with water here. What's happening? The water is not running.
You see the reason why I said you have not always been around. Yeah? Anyway, our sumo developed fault since, and our caretaker has not managed to fix it.
Huh? Are you serious? So how do we survive in this compound without water? Eh? Even with water everywhere, it smells most times. Now, without, how do we even survive?
There's water in the next compound there. All you need to do is just go there and fetch the quantity you need.
So I should now go and start fetching water? I don't understand. Eh? How can I even begin to fetch water now?
Don't worry, my dear. Don't worry.
Can you be this?
That is the reason why I brought you this water.
You brought me water?
Yes.
So this water is for me?
For you.
Thank you so much, Femi. That's why you are the best.
Don't mention.
But please, you have to carry it inside because we have a lot of thieves. Female thieves in this compound.
Don't worry, I'll take it inside for you.
You are just good everywhere. Eh? You're not just good the other way. You're also good in all ramifications. Eh? Stupid people. Thieves. I beg, take water inside.
The body na super booba. What happened? The body na wire. What happened? The body na super duper. A super duper. The body na. What happened? Take a easy. Well, you there on speed.
Mercy. No be waiting at they tell you be this. No be this thing what they tell you. Eh? All this useless smell where they this compound. Then go decide to. They go want fresh water. All the water where they this area can't give her. Instead of them, make them leave her. Make she use her hands fresh her. Make she see how in the be.
I don't even know why you say that one ain't be the case. That one no be the case again. All of them they sleep with her. Yes.
Pachanyago, Messi, we know say this girl they useless.
Now.
But make we try to give them some credit, small credit, even a small. Make we give them.
Which kind of credit? Give her credits as how? Like recharge card. What did they talk?
See, me and you know say we no like this girl. You see this girl where they are, we no like her. But this girl where they see, this Mirabel, with all this her packaging. Now you got to tell me say she leave all this, you got to go into Odogu. It can't be all these people for this compound. Now she can't run things with, you know they're possible. Mind your mouth.
I don't understand.
Watch your mouth.
I don't understand you, babe. You dey form my hand though. You dey form my hand for where that girl dey.
How?
Even if say she dey chop shawarma, she dey follow us drink garri with pankane. What if they talk? I tell you, say she dey sleep with all the guys. You want make her begin the call names?
No.
Make her begin the call.
No try am. You know they possible. You know they possible at all.
You know they possible.
You know they possible.
No wahala. Since you know one reason, you know one know. You know one hear wetin I won't tell you. You know say me I know they sleep early. You go enter your room. Me before I go sleep, I go carry my urine go pour. As I won't go pour, and that's why they see am. You go carry this one come, carry other one come.
Shh.
Calm down. You go follow me. You go follow me. Tonight, you go follow me. Two of us, we go see am together. I no go tell you again. I no go tell you anything again. You go follow me. We go see am.
No problem. Just calm down.
No wahala.
Be careful. Mark is a good. Know how you talk. Know how you.
I'm beginning to get lots of customers. That is why this compound is no longer conducive for me. I really need to leave this place. But I can't live here just like that, living as a pauper. No, I need to deal with those nitwits, those idiots, those lousy girls in this compound. I honestly need to deal with them before leaving. Bobo. This boy, I just like I'm sure. It doesn't smell. It's not like all those ones that smells. Hello, Baba. You don't come? Hey, sneak in as usual now. Just sneak in. The door is open. I don't lock it. It's okay.
Me. Baby.
Oh,
sweet baby.
How you doing?
I just did. See, today, as you see me so, I see this tie way you always give me. I don't tire for her. I won't hit you from backside. You understand? I want to hit you from back.
I like the action. I want to hit your back. That's so your money go large.
Huh?
Listen, as you dey hit and that's so you go large. Back is 20,000. Back alone.
Hey.
Front 15,000. Nigeria no good.
When you can't begin to change your price for different position.
What do you mean? Wait, don't even say that. Don't even open your mouth and talk like that. Otherwise, I will change my mind. I'm trying to help you, sir. You're saying. Do you know people that pay? You don't know what you're about to have. Do you know the caliber of people that pay to have me? 200 hours. 300, 500 hours. Yes, that is it. You never say more. Ordinary 15,000, 20,000. Come on, man. Look. Don't make me change my mind, though. If you want to pay, and let me tell you, if you're going just from back, it's 20. From front, 15. But I can do you, a little discount by giving you front, back, 30.
Hey, they don't give discounts for ordinary knack. You say, okay, I know me invest, I can't push me, say make I go. More no, they talk too much. I go pay. I go pay.
You go pay? I don't get CD again. You carry come. You not carry anything. You not carry?
I carry come now, but I go knock bro.
You don't fire your generation. So you carry syphilis and HIV. You the fact who you won't give them. You no go better for you. In fact, not be only one. You go wear two. I go say, no try, no talk. Now two. And let me tell you something. I can only give you discount if you're going from front and back. But if not, you pay me my complete money. But the money you are paying me has nothing to do with here. You see this place? It has nothing to do with this place. This place alone now. That's why my breast is like this. It stand, they look everybody. If you dare touch here, it is 50,000. So from here, 50,000. Here, 15. Here, 20. Account number 00. Which one you do? Front and back?
Hi. Mercy. This is the revelation of the century. I never let me know. What is going on?
See, Doris, you dey fuck up, oh. You dey fall my hand big time. Now this thing I talk in the morning, say, it be like say you know this compound. Not only me, they get all the news. It dey shock me, say you know, say this girl, this useless Mirabe, they carry all kinds of men enter that in room. This one, at the tip of an iceberg. I just say make you come see this one, so you go know wetin that they talk say na truth.
And you know, say all these things they happen for this compound. And you never bother to tell me will be your friend.
Which one be bother to tell you? What I go tell you wetin woman they do? Me and you they knack normal with our boyfriends, so no be this kind one what she they do. See, na her matter. Na her business. I know reason I say I feel come they tell you say she dey carry man come in room. You know concern me. Na woman where she be. If she want knock out the whole men where they this compound, no problem. Na her body. You know concern me.
Mercy. You see this one? You see this one where just happen now? I no go fit take am. I no fit take am. Me. I go make sure say I treat that girl fuck up.
Wait.
I know so I fit do am. I go treat her fuck up.
Hey. Me I like how you want to treat the girl fuck up, oh. But you too they take the thing personal like. Sure say this girl and Bobo know they do something.
Hey, I'll get it there. Oh. Hey.
He's strong, though. They look like this, don't say he's strong.
I know say you enjoy her very, very well.
That one, my problem. We'll make that money no reverse. The other day on reverse.
Money don't go, no favors now.
I be my own, no be wetin you dey do me.
But Mimi, you too sweet, I beg. You too sweet. No be say me, I know they do shino for outside though. I dey do small shino. But no woman sweet like say you dey sweet. I swear you see pass. In fact, honey and chocolate they learn what? You too sweet.
I never ever see anything. Now me I not get party too. You see, now I make any man wey enter for this my pekus. He know they won't go anywhere.
Hey,
because God give me, no be say they go, the people they go bring kaya matter they pour for there. I get them natural. I get them naturally, so you don't have a problem. My dear, God bless me. Bless me well.
You don't need talk too much. I don't test them now. You know, I job meaning. You too sweet. And as I don't test them, as I don't test them, I don't want to leave you at all.
Because I follow you, they laugh. See, I walk on my size. You see, shoes get size. Make you go just go wear your own. What is your problem? Because they give you, they collect. What do you think? You feel maintain me? You not rich now. I beg.
What to make you feel say I don't feel maintain you?
Where clothes they go? See, make I just warn you. You see, as I just the carry and they give you now. This time, just the enjoy ya. Any day where I say no cross my door again, just not saying that day where you finish. What did you get? Eh? What did you get where if you take me, take person will be like me?
You why they talk all this? Shey na because of Femi. I make you talk all this.
What you talk? Femi.
I know now. I see Femi they sneak in small. They can't collect now. If they they chop your pekus, they chop them now. Why they pretend like say no? See Femi no fit maintain you. Femi no get money. Me I get small change. Me na street boy. I get small change. I go fit maintain your body. I don't like what they talk.
Shut up. Don't talk too much. See, make I tell you, I for just walk you outside my house. But you know why I don't want to have? I don't want to have because we be neighbors. And I don't want to just embarrass you. You see this way you talk to? Make better say, take it back. Swallow him. No talk him again for your life. No just talk him again, no. Be guided. You dey see Femi carry in about them touch. In about them touch, they see Femi they collect. As you don't do your own, you no go. Come out from my house.
Mimi, wetin make you think say me, Bobo, no fit afford you? Eh?
Get out.
See, man, tell you one.
I said, come out from my house! Stupid boy! For break your head knife or you go understand say me and you. Lock my door! I'm not coming. Rubbish. I know that this. Every time you go come here, they price me. Eh? On top you will define who you go maintain. No.
What is it now? Why are you following me up and down? What is your problem?
Bobo, I be waiting to call you for this compound. Bobo na be Bobby risky. I be na Bobo. How you don't fuck up? You don't form my hand. I think say you be one of all these guys who are supposed to be respect for this compound. Just check me out. You don't look my way. You don't check me out. Where they preserve. You don't see any other girl for this compound. Now this Olosho, where anywhere she see, she dey give her. Now you go wait her useless things. Guy, I'm disappointed in you. Mark my words. You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. You hear me? Just check me out. Check me out. You don't see me. Now that thing, the Keziah. This is what you chose. It's fine. I'm disappointed in you. Tia!
Wait, so how this girl take know my parole for this compound? Hey, so you'll be monitoring my movements, okay? Which one concern me? Anybody give me pekus? Do you have van? Which one? I didn't look at you. I didn't see any other preserved lady. If you know Bunuku, why you boys up? Now stop again and you collect.
Benny.
I don't need a controlled talk that will be discussed in a controlled environment. Since you have blatantly refused to control the only thing I have asked you to control. I don't need it.
So, could that be the reason you came to my house to bang at the gate?
I haven't really done anything wrong. I only came to your house to meet Inioluwa, your so-called beloved wife.
Oshekini?
I came to see your wife.
What for? What for?
Is that a question?
Grabelli, I warned you from the very onset that you must never at any time come close to my house. James, is that not was that not our agreement?
I just mentioned your wife, you already started shivering. You're so scared. Right? Because she is your wife. You don't even want anything whatsoever to happen to your family. But you want me to be angry. You don't want me to be fulfilled up, yeah? If I'm not fulfilled, Mr. Man, you will not be fulfilled.
Mirabelli, why are you saying all this? Why are you doing this?
What have I done? I did what I should do. I only came to your house to, introduce myself to your wife as your side chick.
Oshekini?
Yes! I mean, that is the in thing now. We side chicks, we have this power that sometimes we need to exercise.